Hello, welcome to a quick tech take at the Excel London.
A few moments later.
So the London Tech Show is a bunch of different shows all co-located together. So we have Cloud Expo, we have Data Center World, we have Big Data and AI, and we have DevOps Live, I think it's called. Okay, so what are the hot topics of the show? Typically anything to do with AI, of course, AI and Gen AI, but also security and the intersection between both of those particular technologies and topics. So through the process of virtualization and hyperconvergence, the distinction between hardware and software kind of blurs, right? You'll see that here a lot at shows like this, where we move from the hardware data center oriented part much more into the software, cloud infrastructure, and non-hardware parts. It's very difficult to tell where one stops and the other one starts. Companies like Oracle, IBM, Pure Storage, SolarWinds are all here, just around me, forming the kind of core of some of the most significant infrastructure developments of recent years. It's clear that many people are looking for practical examples of where generative AI can help them, including in the application development process, as a way to help get more out of the data that they have within their organizations. It's this intersection of cloud and security, which is very clear here. Companies like Checkpoint, Rubrik, we've got Google Cloud, we've got Pligence, Cyberproof, CrowdStrike. They're all around me here. But of course, so much of this is not just about selling directly to the customer. It's about the indirect channel. It's about the resellers, the VARs, distributors that can touch a much wider range of customers of all sizes, particularly on the SMB side, that allows much of this industry to flourish below the large enterprise sector. It's interesting as you walk around here. I suppose I'd thought there might be a bit more distinction between the different areas of the show. But aside from the data center section, which is clearly full of hardware and very focused on cables and pipes and conduits and cooling, the other parts seem to kind of blend together. The AI, big data, analytics, security, cloud areas tend to overlap quite significantly. And I think that shows how integrated and dependent they are at the same time on each other. As one area of technology increases significantly in terms of its prominence, the others follow suit, because they are, after all, often dependent on each other to exist and to survive.